guys, welcome back to Girls Beauty. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss out the future video notifications. So guys, last week I posted this video. So some of you guys have requested me to do hairstyle video. So here I am. So guys, this is one of the easiest hairstyles. All you need to know is how to braid. That's it. We need lots of bobby pin. Then let's jump right into the video.
Divide your hair into two sections roughly and avoid making any parting. So take one side and start smoothing out your hair. Make sure there are no knots. Then make 3 equal sections and start braiding. In case you don't know how to braid, please do let me know in the comment section below. I'll make a video on it. So braid your hair till the very end. Now take remaining hair and make sure there are no knots and start the process. Start by braiding your hair till the end. So once you have braided your hair, take one braid like this and start securing it around your head with the help of the bobby pins. Firstly, I'm going to secure the end. To keep my braid tight and secure around my head, I will use bobby pins throughout. Now take second braid and wrap it around your head. And start securing it with the help of bobby pins. Pull out your hair a little bit at the front so that it doesn't look too flat.
Let's change and wear big earrings. I think big earrings look nice with this hairdo. Since it is a bit cold in Australia, so I wore my poncho on top. I think it looks nice with my hairdo. So you can do this hairstyle with a sari, gown or other western dress. I think this is perfect for the party and it is so quick and easy as you guys have witnessed. I hope you guys liked this video and found this tutorial very quick and easy. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and do let me know in the comment section below. And also please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. So till the time I see you guys in my next video, keep smiling and keep following the tips. Bye!